Welcome to the Solidworks channel. Today's post, fold the C channel with two bends on different planes. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a 3D sketch. Press the Tab key to switch coordinates. Step 2. Make C channel. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5. Modify the size of C channel. Add relations. Step 3. Create sheet metal. Create a sketch on this face. Select Sheet Metal tab. Direction 1 to vertex. Choose this point. T equals 4.5 mm, R equals 4.5 mm. Do the same with this corner. Create sketch on this plane. Direction 1 to vertex. The thickness of the flange is 5 mm. We'll fix the sheet metal with T equals 5 and R equals 5 mm. Step 4. Process the model and combine. Cut the residual U-section steel. Create sketch on this side. Use the convert command. Turn these lines into dashes. Offset 0.5 mm. Using the extruded cut command, choose C channel. Do the same with this corner. Create sketch on this plane. Use the convert command. Turn these lines into dashes. Offset 0.5 mm. Use the command to extruded cut. Direction 1, through all. Select C channel. Select Insert Features Combine. Flatten and check. The model can't flatten. It took me almost a week to figure out what caused it and how to deal with it. Please like to support me. How to fix as follows. Sheet metal 1 must not touch this plane. Reselect the plane of sketch sheet metal 1. Select Edit Sketch Plane. Fix this top plane to the bottom plane. OK. At the same time, two sheet metals. Same thickness parameters T and R. Will fix the second sheet metal. Uncheck this box. So the model is out of error and flat. Processing the flattened model. Create sketch on this plane. Use the extruded command. Direction 1, to surface. Choose this face. Sorry, I modified sketch. Use the extruded command. Direction 1, to surface. Select this underside. Direction 2, blind. 1 mm. Select merge result. Similarly, create sketch on this plane. Use the extruded command. Direction 1. Blind 1 mm. Select Merge Result. Create sketch on this plane. Cut out the leftovers. Use the Convert command. Use the Extruded Cut command. Direction 1. Through all. So our model is done. Last step. Save the step file and simulation. Open the TubeKit software. Open the saved step file. Simulation of cutting. Select the number of 2 in nest. Export CNC files. This is a CNC file. Thank you for watching. Remember to like. Click subscribe to the channel to follow the latest lesson, and share this video to everyone. Goodbye and see you later.